Good evening. I'm Divya P from CSE second year. Uh, the video presentation is about the stimulation of push button and LED interface with the ARM controller and the Proteus. So we all know that the Proteus is to stimulate the interaction between the push button and LED. Which highlight the application in embedded system and electronics. First of all, the procedure is about we have to click on stm32 file, and we have to click on new stm32 project, and we have to select the to be programmed and click next, and we have to select the program name exactly what we are going to do, and the corresponding IOC file will be generated, and using some GPIO pin in and out and USART we have to configure it, and by clicking Control yes it will generate a C program. So we have to edit the program as per required regarding the stimulation of push button and LED with the Proteus. So by building use project and build the program. So once the project is built we have to debug it. Before that, here is that uh, coding part, the C program. So first we can see the circuit diagram. In the circuit diagram, a push button is connected to an LED. See, we can see a push button is connected to an LED, and the power supply is required as per the voltage. So when the LED glows when the button is pressed, so mention the safety measures like resistor is used to protect the LED. So the working point is that we can here interface the two diagram. One is the LED is not glowing, the other one is the LED is glowing. In the first, we can see if we can see the interference of the second picture is that when the button is pressed, that is when the button is pressed, this button is pressed, the circuit completes and the current will flows and the LED will glow. When the button is released, the circuit breaks and the LED will turn off. So the stimulation step is that we have to first open the Proteus component and connect the components. So these components as per the required, for example, and we have to set the parameters like resistor value, LED voltage, and we have to run the stimulation and we have to observe the LED behavior. So here is the figure out of LED not glows and LED which is glowing, and this is the circuit diagram. So after completing we have to take the layout diagram screenshot and then those screenshot, and we have to take the result that we when using the digital output input with the ARM microcontroller, the stimulator Proteus, our results are verified. So the advantage of this stimulation is that no physical component required and the reducing cost, error can be identified before the actual implementation. And the application is that it is the basic building block for understanding the embedded system used in appliance, signaling system, and IoT devices. So the bonus tip is that it includes to visualize the circuit of the diagram stimulation and screenshot to encourage a diagram. So however, it emphasizes the experiment aids in understanding basic circuit principles and software tools like Proteus. This is my video presentation regarding this experiment, and thank you.